Welcome to Auto Street. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of classic cars, and our star is none other than the iconic 1940 Cadillac Series 62. This car isn't just a vehicle, it's a piece of history, a symbol of timeless elegance, and an enduring example of American automotive craftsmanship. By the end of this video, you'll see why the Series 62 still captivates car enthusiasts and collectors around the globe. Let's rewind the clock to 1940. Cadillac was already a well-established luxury brand, known for blending sophistication with cutting-edge technology. The Series 62 was introduced as part of Cadillac's redesigned lineup, marking a significant shift in automotive design. Styled under the direction of Harley Earl, the mastermind behind General Motors' art and color section, the Series 62 reflected the dawn of streamlined modernity. It featured smooth, flowing lines, a longer wheelbase, and an overall silhouette that exuded opulence. Now, let's talk about the engine. Under the hood of the 1940 Cadillac Series 62 lay a 5.7-liter V8 engine, delivering around 135 horsepower. This wasn't just power for its time, it was Cadillac's promise of smooth and effortless driving. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, the Series 62 offered a driving experience that combined grace with precision, a hallmark of Cadillac's engineering excellence. Even by today's standards, the powertrain feels refined and confident. What truly sets the Series 62 apart is its design. The exterior was pure Art Deco. Its bold, upright grille with horizontal slats commanded attention. The headlights were seamlessly integrated into the front fenders, a groundbreaking feature in 1940. And those fenders, oh, they were something else. They flowed gracefully into the body, a look that made the car appear to glide even when stationary. The Series 62 was available as a coupe, sedan, and convertible, each showcasing its own distinct personality, while maintaining Cadillac's signature luxury. The interior? It was a masterpiece of craftsmanship. Step inside, and you're greeted with leather upholstery, polished wood trim, and chrome accents that scream 1940s elegance. The dashboard was a work of art, featuring large, easy-to-read gauges and controls that were intuitively placed. Cadillac ensured that the Series 62 wasn't just about aesthetics, it was about comfort. There was ample space for passengers, and even the suspension was tuned to absorb the roughest roads with ease. The ride was, and still is, often described as cloud-like. But what made the 1940 Cadillac Series 62 so special wasn't just its looks or performance, it was its role in American culture. This car was a status symbol, a way for the emerging middle and upper classes to announce their arrival. It wasn't just a car, it was a lifestyle statement. You didn't just drive a Cadillac, you lived Cadillac. Fast forward to 2025, and the 1940 Cadillac Series 62 has become a collector's dream. Restored models fetch top dollar at auctions, and owning one is like owning a piece of American heritage. But there's also a growing trend among enthusiasts to blend the classic styling of the Series 62 with modern technology. Imagine a restored version of this classic, complete with an electric powertrain, modern suspension, and advanced infotainment while retaining its original design. The result? A car that bridges the gap between the past and the future. Restoring a 1940 Cadillac Series 62 requires patience and passion. Parts aren't always easy to come by, and the process can take years. But for those who take on the challenge, the reward is immeasurable. Each bolt tightened, each piece polished, and each detail restored brings this automotive icon back to life. It's a labor of love that ensures the legacy of the Series 62 lives on for generations to come. As we wrap up, let's take one last look at this magnificent machine. The 1940 Cadillac Series 62 isn't just a car, it's a testament to an era of innovation and style that continues to inspire us today. Whether you're a die-hard classic car enthusiast or just someone who appreciates timeless beauty, the Series 62 has something for everyone. It's more than a vehicle, it's a story on wheels. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on classic cars, restorations, and the stories that make them unforgettable. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite classic car? See you next time.